In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat in Reddit. If you're new to Reddit, or you've mostly used it just for browsing posts and comments, the chat feature can feel a little hidden. Don't worry though, starting a chat is actually very simple once you know where to look and what each step does. I'll walk you through the process and explain what's happening on screen so you feel confident using it on your own. First, open Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. The chat feature is only available when you're signed in. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small chat icon. Depending on your device or the current Reddit layout, this might look like a speech bubble or a small message symbol. Go ahead and click on that chat icon. This will open the chat panel or chat window for your account. After the chat panel opens, you'll see any existing chats you might already have. If you haven't used Reddit chat before, this area may be empty, and that's completely fine. What you want to look for is the option that says Start a Chat. Click on Start a Chat to begin creating a new conversation. Once you click that, Reddit will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to help you choose who you want to chat with and how you want the chat to work. Typically, you'll be asked to enter the username of the person you want to message, or select from a list of people you've interacted with recently. Take a moment to type the username carefully, because chats can only be started with valid accounts. Next, you'll usually see a space to write your first message. This is your chance to introduce yourself, ask a question, or follow up on a conversation you started in the comments. Try to be clear and polite, especially if you're messaging someone for the first time. When you're happy with your message, follow the final on-screen option to send it and officially start the chat. That's all there is to it. Click the chat icon in the top right, choose Start a Chat, and then follow the prompts that appear. Once your chat is created, you can return to this chat area anytime to continue the conversation, reply, or start new chats with other users.